What are these?
These are cat balls.
What?
Cat balls.
Cat balls.
Yeah.
We are going up to Diamante Falls, which is the highest waterfall in Costa Rica. We're gonna go spend the night behind the falls. Let's go check it out. Gone up like 1,000 stairs so far. This trail is like straight up. It's relentless. Diamante Falls is in an area called Las Tumbas in Costa Rica, in the southern part of Costa Rica, in a valley called Diamante Valley, named after the waterfall we're going to right now, Diamante Falls. Our guide was telling us that this property here is a huge piece of property that they own, that they are reforesting right now. It used to be a farm and had cows and everything, and kind of like cut a bunch of stuff down, so they're replanting and creating a reserve here. That's the cool thing about Costa Rica, is people are kind of actively protecting the jungle and doing reforestry projects and reserves. So the ecology is super important to the people here. Alright, this is where we're sleeping tonight, right behind the waterfall. A couple beds here, a couple beds back here. Looks like up there is where we'll be eating dinner and lunch. They're making us 3 meals a day for here. Well, we're only here for 1 day, but we have 3 meals, and it's pretty nice not having to carry all your food up here, and they just provide it for you. So, having problems with my drone. I literally just flew it and had no problems. I flew up to see the top waterfalls, so I was looking for the big waterfall, and I didn't see it. And so I flew back, and then when I went to go fly again, because I found out the waterfall, the big one, is lower than us, it now won't connect, which is really weird because this has never happened. But basically I turn on the drone and everything goes as normal. The drone will even start the propellers using the remote, but it won't connect in the app. Normally it just goes right into the controls. Oh, it's working now. 10th time's the charm. Oh my god, look, it's working now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I was so bummed because I wanted to get a shot of this huge waterfall, but looks like it's working again. Takes forever to get a connection in Costa Rica in the jungle. I got 4 connection, I don't know what you call it, 4 bars, but it needs to get to 8 in order to really connect to the GPS, so it kind of takes a little while to wait. Gonna rappel from this waterfall right here down this rope. Gotta climb up it first and then float down. More steps. We're heading up to some pools we can go swimming in, and some cliff jumping, and then some rappelling back down. So many different kinds of mushrooms here and fungi. Oh, I feel so much more fresh after jumping in that ice cold water. Surprisingly cold. There's actually cold water in Costa Rica, and it's much appreciated after a super hot hike. You ready to rappel this? You gonna send it off the cliff?
Yara.
Well, we just rappelled from this cliff. Whoa, almost fell over. It was scarier than I anticipated from down here. It doesn't look that intense, but the second that you like step off the first couple steps is pretty scary. But after that, you kind of get used to it and find the flow. But very, very glad that we did it. Now to finalize it, we're gonna go watch the sunset from the top of the 600-foot waterfall. If I don't fall down before I get there, but it's gonna be pretty epic. We're at the top of the tallest waterfall in Costa Rica, watching sunset now. Life is pretty good. Oh, that was a long night. Didn't really sleep that great behind the waterfall. It was nice, but the bed was very uncomfortable, and I don't know, I just woke up a lot. But last night was almost a full moon too, so it was pretty bright out. I think if I did this again, I would make sure it was a new moon. I can never sleep very well in the full moon. Definitely not the best night's sleep, but definitely worth it. And got some breakfast coming up, coffee. Looking forward to that. And then the long hike back, like 1,000 stairs back, down. My knees are gonna be killing me.